Hey my lovelies, it's your girl Levion and thank you all so much for returning for another video. So today I'm giving you all some motivation to get up and clean your bedroom. I'll also be sharing some helpful tips on how to keep your room smelling and looking amazing. Let's get this video started. Please don't forget to like, comment, and if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, baby. This is how my bedroom was looking before the actual clean. Not too messy, but up close definitely needed some attention. I don't know, I feel like when I know I'm getting ready to clean up, I kind of like get real, I don't care-ish about placing things back to where they belong. My inspiration for this video were my blinds, so I happened to look out the window and notice how dirty they were. Then it made me look up in the ceilings at the dust, and then it made me look down on the dust on my bed, and I was like, OMG, Levion, like, who are you? So best friends, I am sending huge motivational vibes your way. Before I start, I think it's always best just to get your bedding in the wash, so by the time everything is clean, you'll have your clean bedding all ready to dress your bed. I'll be laundering everything but my duvet. I usually like to do that about every 2 to 3 weeks. In one of my last videos, one of my best friends commented that washing your pillowcases were an absolute must as well for her. Babes, definitely make sure you are throwing in those pillowcases right along with your sheets. Not washing your pillowcases regularly can cause buildup of dirt and oil, dead skin cells, and may even cause skin breakouts.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly.
Haven't done so lately, also wash your mattress pad covers, ideally every 2 to 4 weeks to prevent any buildup of dirt and allergens. To help your room smell amazing and clean, when doing your laundry, try using quality laundry detergents. If you don't have sensitive skin, try going for ones that have some really good smell good. No matter my laundry detergent, I always use these in-wash scent boosters. They are really good on price and they work amazing. Since my quote is like a sour cream color, not exactly white, I'll be using some baking soda to help keep it as bright as possible. I won't be using any bleach. I'm still a bleach girl. I love adding in bleach to my whites. To me, that just works perfectly for my family. If you're looking for an alternative, try using baking soda in a vinegar mix. That may work perfect for you.
Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl a spell.
I always like to switch up my detergents. I feel like when you keep the same detergent, you don't really smell it as good anymore. So I like to switch between Tide, Persil, and Arm & Hammer. I also like to switch up on my softeners as well. I either use Gain or Downy. And for extra razzle dazzle, I like to add in this laundry sanitizer to all of my loads. To help keep my mattress fresh and deodorized, I'm going to sprinkle on some baking soda and then let it sit. To help keep everything that I can't throw in the wash sanitized, I'll be spraying a layer of sanitizing spray. I'm going to use this on my headboard, my pillows, my area rug, and my carpet. I'm going to also let that sit for a while and then vacuum. Spraying a sanitizer spray will obviously sanitize, but it will kill any bad odors in your room, which will help your room smell fresher. To keep the cobwebs from the ceiling, I'm going to use the Swiffer with the heavy duty cloth. This works perfect on trapping all the dust. Dusting regularly helps keep the indoor allergens out. I double dare you best friends right now to pause the video and go check your vents. We had so much dust accumulated in ours, I just couldn't believe it. Don't forget about those baseboards. I'm using this baseboard cleaning tool to clean all of my baseboards. This really comes in handy so you're not like bending down on the floor trying to clean them. I'm using my Method Wood Cleaner with my blind cleaning tool to help clean off my blinds. Using Smell Good cleaning products will also help your room to smell good. If it's been a while since your last blind clean, I suggest using some hot soapy water with your favorite cleaning solution.
Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep.
We like to keep the windows cracked a little, so the other side was just a little dirtier. So I used some all-purpose cleaner, which also smells amazing, and it does great with lifting all the dirt.
If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up.
Next, moving on to my chandelier. So y'all, I'd be lying if I told you that I cleaned every single crystal. I do kind of just go through the ones that catch my eye and just wipe them down. For our bedroom deep clean, this is pretty much consisting of dusting, cleaning, and deodorizing, but a deep clean should also include organizing and decluttering. Declutter any trash, broken, or just furniture that you're not using anymore, clothing that you're not using anymore, organizing just items that you are using. I have a helpful ebook available that gives you 7 helpful tips to declutter your life. Decluttering can mean many different things, and in my ebook, I'll help you find different ways to manage your life clutter-free, whether it's with overload of items, friends, family, and just lifestyle. I'll leave a link below in the description box. Be sure to get your copy.
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one.
For all of my mirrored furniture, I like to use a sprayway glass cleaner. This helps keep all of my furniture shiny and dust free.
It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason. None at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws. Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws.
Lighting a candle will help your room smell so good. They really just give a relaxing vibe. Although candles are so lovely to use, they will pretty much just mask any unpleasant odors. They do nothing to get rid of the bad smells. So definitely make sure you are getting to the source of any bad odors. Now that all of my bedding is clean and fresh out the laundry, I'm going to dress my bed just to my preferred liking.
Look at the way they hold they chat. Honestly amazing. I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know he won't do for. Yeah, yeah. I know what you want. You got it gorgeous. You bet you're tugging. Just talk to me nicely. Just ease it up on me. I'm fighting the feeling. I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for it. You've heard some things people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air. I've made my mistakes.
Using your favorite linen, fabric, or pillow spray really helps boost the scent in your room. Try not to go with many different smells though. Try to find like a signature scent or like similar ones so there's not too many different scents going on. Like, we want you to be relaxed in your bedroom, not suffering with a headache from all the different smells.
I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move your body, baby. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me.
Now that my bed is dressed, the entire room is smelling so good and just so clean now. I'm going to put the finishing touches on and just vacuum the entire space.
I know what's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for me. Show me you want it. You're ready for it. What are we waiting on? You want it for it. Are you ready? Ooh.
Lastly, I'm just spraying on my Febreze fabric spray. I'm spraying it onto my carpet, my rug, and also my curtains, just for an added fresh scent throughout my room. Best friends, this is the end of this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it, but most importantly, I hope that you have found some motivation to clean in your bedroom or your own home as you may see fit. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And if you aren't already, baby, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
What's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time. I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling.